Little Storyteller.
King Theodore had a secret. He was the best cook in the whole wide kingdom. His cakes were fluffy, his cookies were crunchy, and his pies were full of yummy fruit. But King Theodore was very shy. My job is to be king, he thought, not a cook. So, only the little kitchen mice ever saw him in his big chef hat, happily mixing and stirring. One sunny morning, a poster went up in the royal town square. It showed a big yummy cake with colorful sprinkles. The Royal Bake-Off. It cheered. The king will taste all the treats and pick the best baker in the land. The people of the kingdom were so excited. Little Lily, with her bright blue eyes and a basket full of juicy red berries, dreamed of winning. King Theodore watched from his castle window. He wished he could enter, but he felt too shy. Then, a little fluffy bunny, with twitching nose, hopped by. It looked sad. "What's wrong, little one?" asked the king. The bunny twitched its nose again. "No yummy carrots for my carrot cake," it squeaked. King Theodore smiled. An idea popped into his head like a bubble. The next day, at the bake-off, a new baker stood nervously beside a table. He wore a big floppy hat and round funny glasses, so nobody would know it was King Theodore. He put down a beautiful carrot cake, decorated with tiny orange carrots made of sugar. The fluffy bunny's eyes went wide with delight. King Theodore, disguised as Mr. Baker, watched as the real King Theodore himself tasted all the treats. Lily's berry pie was sweet. The baker next to her made a lovely lemon tart. But when the king tasted Mr. Baker's carrot cake, his eyes lit up. "This is the winner," he announced. Mr. Baker took off his floppy hat and funny glasses. Everyone gasped. It was King Theodore. "I love to cook," he said, his cheeks a little pink, "and it makes me happy to share my treats with all of you." The crowd cheered. Lily smiled, and the fluffy bunny nibbled happily on a sugar carrot. From that day on, King Theodore still ruled his kingdom, but he also opened a little bakery in the castle. He baked yummy treats for everyone, and sometimes Lily and the fluffy bunny helped him. Sharing his secret talent made the king, and everyone else, very happy. It turns out that sharing something you love to do can bring joy to many others.
Please subscribe. Thank you.